the Deputy Collector, Madam IS Officer, has convened a meeting of the Vector-borne Disease Control Committee for Bardesh Block, and she has taken serious note of the poor attendance by various officials who are required to be in the meeting. Now, as you know, vector-borne disease is not a problem that is only concerned with the health of the officers or the health department. Panchayats, the municipal council, the labor department, PWD, water resources department, all these departments are concerned, and that is why this block level meeting is held on a quarterly basis, chaired by Deputy Collector. So Madam has issued direction now that a fresh meeting will be called in February. However, she has taken note that in January all panchayats have to conduct the regular ordinary Gram Sabha. So in that Gram Sabha, they should discuss the status of vector-borne disease in respective village panchayats. Also, she has pointed out that since Republic Day is there 26 January, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, there can be an extensive cleanliness drive in all panchayats. And she has issued directions today to all the line departments that they have to be present, and the status report of vector-borne disease in Bardesh block be prepared and presented to her in advance prior to the meeting. Now, this is very, very important because the functioning of block level meeting under chairmanship of Deputy Collector can work effectively only if all the line departments and all stakeholders are present. By issuing directions that all line departments should be present for the next meeting, and she has said that she will give an early date by first fortnight of February to have the meeting. So in January all preparations will be made for this meeting. As you know, vector-borne disease is a serious matter. It is affecting the common citizens, and for this lot of prevention precaution has to be taken. And we have been appealing consistently to the citizens that be very careful. Today, with the growing worry about even COVID coming back, vector-borne disease, if it is there, will add to the problem of health and burden the health staff, health officials of primary health centers of Bardesh Taluka. We are making a specific appeal to people, at least for New Year, preparation for New Year, go for cleanliness drive around your house and around your neighborhood, so that we reduce the spread of the growth of mosquitoes and spread of vector-borne disease, particularly the dengue, as dengue is on the increase. My request to all citizens, people who reside in the villages, please take note. If there is a construction site near your house in the neighborhood, please note that at all construction sites, the laborers who are working on the construction site, they have to have compulsory health card. This health card is issued by the primary health center. It is a special amendment brought under the Public Health Act to prevent the spread of vector-borne disease. Now, if a health card is not there with that worker, the contractor will now be fined 10,000 rupees. Earlier, the fine was 1,000 rupees. This is a very important point, because if all the workers are having the health card, there will be a good prevention program for control of vector-borne disease. Second important point to take note, are the construction workers at these health construction sites are being given the long-lasting insecticide net. It is called LNN. This LLIN nets are very effective, because if the worker who is sleeping on there at the construction site is covering himself with this net, it is a very good precaution from bites of the mosquitoes. And therefore, it is very simple. They don't have to pay for it. The net is given free of charge. All they have to show the Aadhaar card, show the health card, and they will be issued the net. See, residents in the localities have to take note of this. Tell your concerned village health committee of the panchayat that let us work together to make our villages free and our residential areas free, including our buildings. See, people are not realizing that on the 5th floor and 7th floor, you can also get malaria and dengue if the breeding is taking place in the water there around the flower pot. Simple things like this. So I appeal to the residents and particularly consumers. Protect yourself from the vector-borne disease. Be responsible and take some proactive action.